Welcome back to another very exciting episode of Modern Motors. And before you fast forward, you're gonna want to hear me out. Today we got a giveaway coming up. Dash cams. Today we're talking about dash cams. I know if you're thinking like, wow, 3 weeks ago you guys just talked about dash cams. It's the same company. It is the same company. And we always anticipated doing one for the Giulia. We reached out to them after the Stelvio video did really well. We said, hey, we would like to do another dash cam and we would like to give one to one of our subscribers. They said 100% we can do that. The only catch is you gotta be subscribed to us, you gotta be subscribed to them, they're gonna be linked down below, and then you gotta comment on this video. 3 things, 3 easy steps. You guys have subscribed to people for less. You can get a free dash cam out of this. That's all you gotta do. This is different than our last one. Again, I'm gonna list all the pricing for the different options. They have the 4K with the backup camera. They have the regular 1080p with the backup camera. Then they have the 4K option, no backup camera. This is the option that we're installing today. This is the option that you're trying to win. So one of you guys is gonna get no backup camera, just the front dash cam camera. Okay, makes sense? Make sure I address a few FAQs from the last video. If you have a different option that you like more, I mean, just go with it. I don't know what to tell you. I'm not forcing you to buy this. I'm not forcing you to try to enter this giveaway. I'm just telling you that you can. I personally like the look. If you look at my car, I don't even have my, in Texas you have to have your registration right here. For the simplicity of just looking cool, I don't even run my registration, okay? So I want an OEM look. I don't want a big, huge dash cam, you know, hanging out the side. This looks and feels OEM. Again, my preference, may not be yours. You may want the 8K high quality, whatever. That's your preference. My preference is sleek and not noticeable, okay? What else I saw? Do you have to, I don't know, I thought I made it pretty clear, like you didn't have to tap into anything else, but I'll say it once more. Some of the competitors that you'll see on the market, they're tapping into fuses and all that other, you don't have to do any of that. It's just the one harness, that's it, you're done. Everything that you need to install this product is in the box. You don't need anything else. I have my own set of pry tools, so I like to use my own, but they have everything that you could possibly need in the box for you guys. In this video, I will show you more footage of the dash cam. I'll show you the nighttime footage, everything else I could possibly show you guys, because I know you guys have a lot of questions about the footage, and I don't think I did a good enough job in my last video. Somebody asked if it would cause battery issues. No, only turns on with the dome light. I mean, there's no battery issues that I ran into, and some other people in the last video have this as well, and they haven't ran into any battery issues either. Somebody asked how easy is it to download the videos. You literally just push download, super easy. We'll go through that whole process again today. But yeah, I think it's a really great product. I think, you know, the seamless integration into your windshield is really cool, but neither here nor there. Here's our Modern Motors preference. Take it, leave it, do whatever you want to do. I don't know, it's up to you. Before we jump into the install, we want to say one last time, thank you guys for supporting us week over week. Thank you for watching our videos month over month, year over year. Without you guys, literally, we wouldn't be able to be giving stuff away. We wouldn't be able in this position. Even past this, thank you for shopping on Modernware and supporting us and making our dreams a reality. When FitcamX reached back out to us and the video was going well for the Stelvio, they said, hey, do you guys want one for the Giulia? We said, instead of giving us a front and rear camera, can we just get 2 front cameras? That way we can give one back to you guys. We're really keeping you guys in mind. Our next video after is a giveaway. We're the only channel in the alpha space that consistently gives stuff back to you guys, and if this year goes well, we have a lot of crazy stuff that we're gonna be able to give out and give back to you guys, so make sure to be on the lookout for that. Those of you who supported us even past the alpha content and had watched our new content car, which you should go watch, that's a really cool car and it's a C8 and we're doing really cool stuff over there, but huge shout out to you guys. Thanks for the support. It truly means the world to us. Thank you for letting us do what we do. And this month we'll be in LA. Next month we'll be in PA. And hopefully we get to see some of you guys in person. And yeah, I can't say thank you enough. And thank you for letting us do this cool stuff over here. And super shout out to FitcamX for sending one out so we can give one to you guys. This applies to all countries, so it doesn't matter where you guys are at. We'll send it your guys' way, no matter where you're at in the world, okay? Again, subscribe, comment. Again, FitcamX, this is who you're following. This is a 4K camera. We're gonna cut open the back, ideal for driving. Wow. And remember all the benefits: Wi-Fi, loop recording, G sensor, super wide angle, perfect fit, wide dynamic range. While you guys are watching this one, if you guys happen to purchase one of these and you need the front and rear camera, you guys can go watch the video that's in one of these corners, or at the very end of this video, it will be a link to the Stelvio. First things first, pry tool. Wow, we'll use that later. Harness is simple enough. Here it is. Here's your main piece right here. You're gonna get this in your box. This you don't need. This is for us. This, I'm assuming this is also in your box. But this is a little recording device to show you, so you guys can see. And if you want to do an install video, if you're trying to start your own YouTube channel, this would be very helpful for that. The main piece, this piece right here, pry tool, main harness, thumb drive, and then we'll use all that later. That's it. That's all you need, and then the user manual. Alrighty, first things first, we're removing this thing. 1, 2, 3, easy peasy. Remember, they give you the pry tool. One piece right there. One piece, boom, and it's ready down. Ta-da! OEM piece is officially out. Alright, next thing you need to do is take this down. Ta-da! And you're gonna unplug it right here. It's just this little pin. Pop it out, pop it up. On mine, I don't have the little sensor. I don't know what the sensor's for, but I don't have it on my 2017 Giulia. So, nothing. We'll just skip that step.
Yeah.
I'm gonna plug this in right here. It's just a little jumper harness. We're gonna beep, and then we just gotta plug the camera in. That's it. If you see this thing right here, bing, 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 bing. I just gotta take these clips out, and you're just gonna squeeze them out. See that? And boom, clipped. Clipped. Out. Clipped. Out. Clipped. And so now all we need to do is feed this little wire through right here, so it comes out right over here. And once more, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna cipher this wire a little bit through this. The Giulia seems like it has a little bit more spacing than the Stelvio does, because this is just funneling right through. You see how there's a little line? It lines up inside that little line. Bing. See the little sound? You're gonna plug it right into the harness again. Handy dandy. And then you're gonna cipher everything right back up like OEM. Ta-da. Everything works. And now we're just gonna download the app. It's a new day, clearly you can tell. I'm gonna show you guys from my Stelvio because my Giulia is too hard to get out. And don't pay attention to the big exhaust back here, okay? First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open the FitcamX app. It's gonna show connected. It's gonna immediately pull up the cameras. Wow, really cool stuff. You can go to camera files, which is down in the left-hand corner. All the drives that me and Crystal have had. I'm gonna click on this random one right here, and you can scroll left to right from back camera to front camera, so you get the full resolution of each. Okay, let's say I really want to download this specific file right here. I would literally push the button called download to the left hand side, and now it's downloading. That's it. Once you're in this section, this is one of my night shots. All you would push is the save, and then it's saving to your album. That's it. At the bottom you have the camera, you have your album, and then you have app settings and all that. So once you access the FitCam, it just goes straight into the camera. So if you have the front and rear, it'll kind of show up like this. So in the camera, if you guys saw on the box, it's like G sensor or whatever. So if you're ever in a car accident, essentially it just locks that clip, because this thing records on a loop. So all it does is just make sure that clip doesn't go anywhere. Now you can save it. Worst case scenario, you're in an accident, you can reference that clip later. I would say this is a pretty easy camera. But if you have any questions, concerns, something's not downloading right or something's not working right when you first get this, always message FitcamX directly. Do not message me. I can't, I don't have any access to the software or anything like that. So just want to put that out there before I get those messages. I'm gonna play clips of daytime, nighttime, so you guys have those two references. And if I miss something, feel free to let me know in the comments, and I'll try to make a short to respond to whatever I missed. Okay. Well, this is where we're going to end today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hopefully the install went well. I don't know. I'm filming this in the past. But again, all you got to do to enter to win one of these $200 value FitcamX dash cams, front cam only, is subscribe to FitcamX, which are going to be down in the description. Subscribe to us. If you're not already, how dare you? And then just make sure that you're commenting down below. Something, anything. You love the channel. You love FitcamX. I don't care what you comment. Just comment something so we can make sure we select. That's how we're selecting. And then we're going to make sure that the cross-reference you're subscribe to both channels, okay? Makes sense. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Next video, downpipe video. I think you guys are gonna enjoy that one as well. Go watch that. Next week, Monday, every Monday, 9 o'clock, we're dropping videos. Boom, 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 boom. See you guys Monday. Dealing with blistering sun and a plane.
Blistering sun.
Jesus, look at my freak! I'm sweating. Can't even talk. If you guys are, it really is really hot. It was just raining 2 days ago. For those of you who are wondering, you're like, hey, you ever fix a charge pipe issue? My bad. Again, you know, I'm running into a lot of my bads. I feel like I know what I'm doing, and I just kind of rush through stuff because, like, I've been doing this for, like, I don't know, 10 years. So I kind of feel like I know what I'm doing at this point. But the charge pipe, I put in, you're gonna laugh. I put in the diverter valve. However, that person had GFBs on it, so I just only took the top half of the diverter valve. So I wasn't building boost because I didn't have a full diverter valve. Oh. Hence why I was running codes immediately. So the charge pipe works, everything works, no problems, good stuff, okay? But you'll see in our next video, our valve exhaust is broken because our wire's fried because it got too hot under there. So that doesn't work. You know, life, modified life, you know, modded motors. You want to be modded motors if you want to have modded problems, all right?
Modern problems. Modern solutions.